We have some questions in front of us. The first one is from practice 2. We have a discrete probability distribution where we have scores, 5 scores, and a probability of each score that's been gathered over a number of studies. So we know there's a 10% chance of a 1, a 30% chance of a 2, a 20% chance of a 3, a 10% chance of a 4. And the first question asks, what's the probability of x equal to 5? Well, all of these have to total, when we add them all up, they have to total to 1.0. When I add them all up, I realize that these add up to 1, 4, 6, 7. So the probability of 5 has to be 0.3 so that it all adds up to 1. And then the second question is, find the probability that the Payne score is less than 4. Well, here's 4, here's 5. Less than 4 would be 1, 2, or 3. And so it's 0.1 plus 0.3 plus 0.2. Which equals 0.6 for the second question. The third one is the mean, and the mean is simply the product of the score and its probability. We add them all up, so it's 1 times 0.1 plus 2 times 0.3, its probability, plus 3 times its probability 0.2, 4 times its probability 0.1, and then 5 times its probability 0.3. When I total all these up, I get 3.2 as the mean for this distribution. The standard deviation is a little more complicated. It's the score minus the mean squared times the probability. So for the first one, the score is 1. The mean was 3.2. That squared times 0.1. We do the same thing for the second score. 2 minus 3.2 squared times 0.3. We're going to add them for all of them. The last one would be 5 minus 3.2 squared times 0.3. When I calculate all those numbers, add them together, I come up with a variance, a sigma squared, of 1.96. And then the standard deviation is simply the square root of that. So square root of 1.96 is 1.4. And so those are the 5 parts of that first problem.